Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show a WordPress installation on a free web hosting site. Website name is 000webhost. I don't recommend it as a business website operating server for you. But I think it is good for a practice WordPress installation, some plugin, and themes test. Because it is free. Before installing plugins or themes on your business web server, you can make pilot system here. In addition, it is a good environment for beginners to practice. A company that support free installation are not always cheaper than others, when you buy some options. Therefore, when you're launching business site, search hosting company that offers a good price when you include all the options you need to build your server. Search 000webhost or free WordPress hosting in Google, and go to www.000webhost.com. This site allows you to use it free for 1 year. The disk capacity is 300 megabytes for free version. It is suitable for testing a simple homepage. But this is insufficient capacity to install an e-commerce store. Click the free sign up button. Enter your email and password. The password conditions are strict, so I will enter it again. I can't see any CAPTCHA, but it says that there is no CAPTCHA code. Let's try it again. This time, it is a successful. Go to the email you entered. Press Verify Email button. They asking you to choose the type of website to create. Choose an online store. Select Business. Enter the website name and password. This is a website managing account. Press the Submit button. There are options to install WordPress or an option to upload files. Let me install WordPress manually. So I select the Upload Site option. Then, as you can see, the page redirected to FTP on web browser where you can managing files. We cannot access server with FTP utility like FileZilla. They do not provide an FTP account in free version. Let's go to WordPress.org and download WordPress. It is currently version 5.5.1. Press the download button. Unzip the downloaded file. And open the completed folder. Go back to web browser 000webhost and click on the public_HTML folder. Put the file here. With drag and drop the WordPress installation file you just extracted. A pop-up appears. Scroll down to the bottom. There is an upload button. Please press upload button. Then, the upload will proceed for quite a long time. You do something else by it's done. Go to website home and log in again. Then there is a site we have installed. Click the site link at the bottom. Then as you can see, newly created site shows the WordPress installation screen. Don't proceed the setup because we haven't created a database yet. Come back to the My Website screen. When you mouse over the thumbnail image, Manage Website button shows. Click the button. Select the Tools menu on the left. Press the Database Manager menu. Before making a database, installation cannot proceed. Let me explain the reason why a database is needed, for beginners. Some people may have heard of the term database for the first time. It's easy to understand, likewise it is data files stored on your hard disk. You manage your files using Explorer. Database managed by special application like MySQL, Oracle etc. Websites in the early days of the Internet consisted of only text and image files, so there was no need to use databases. Even these days, it is not necessary to use a database for a very simple homepage. However, when you need features such as membership registration or bulletin board on the homepage, it becomes necessary to use a database. In modern CMS platforms like WordPress, Database is pre-requirement. Without a database, the installation cannot proceed. And database management system is shortened to DBMS. Database always requires 3 items: database host, database name, database user and password. Database host is the server where database is installed. If you think about it easily, it is a server like Google or Facebook. We need to know a specific IP or domain name for the server. In most cases, when setting up, you've seen it as localhost. Localhost is the case where the database server is installed on the current web server. If the database is not installed on the current web server, you must enter the IP address or DNS of the server where the database is installed. Database name is my own access name to database server. The concept might be difficult, so let me explain in a figurative example. Someone opened a chicken shop in the Gangnam Building food court. Suppose the number of shop is 101. There are 1,000 shops in Gangnam Building food court. Gangnam Building food court is same as the database host. And the chicken shop is as the database name. There are 1,000 independent databases running on the database host. Database username and password is the same as the security key needed to open the door to the 101 chicken shop. Of course, the shop can have multiple keys. For the case where employees first go to work and open a store. Then, let's open a new store right now. Click the New Database button. Enter database name, database user password. Press Create button. A database is creating now. Check the progress bar. It's slower than expected. Don't close the window. Database name and database username must be pasted on the WordPress installation screen. Go to my website and click the website link. Select a language. Press the Let's Go button. Copy and paste the database name you created. Copy the database user and paste it in the username. Enter the password. You don't need to change the database host and table prefix. Click the Submit button. Press the Run the Install button. Enter the site title. The site title can be changed in the WordPress setting menu later. Enter the username to use as a WordPress administrator. Enter your email. You will need this email to recover the admin password. Be careful not to misspelling an email address. Finally, press the Install WordPress button to complete the installation. Let's log in. Then, we are connected to the WordPress admin dashboard. Go to the top left, hover Site Title. There is a View Site menu. Click it will take you to the front-end site. WordPress installation is completed. Today, we installed WordPress on free hosting. Please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.